Hi students, good evening. Now we will discuss the chapter name is solution. It is a part of physical chemistry. See students, this is the most important area in objectives. First of all, what is the definition of solution? Solutions. First of all, definition of solution. See, what is the exact definition of solution? See students, the homogeneous intermixing of two or more components, either two or more than two components, is known as solution. Is known as solution. Student, next point. A solution, it having at least two components, either two or more than two components. Next one, relatively amount of substance present in a solution. The solution is equal sum of the solute and the solvent. Here the lesser portion of substance is known as solute and the more quantity of substance is known as solvent. Next, an important concept in numerical point of view, we calculate the concentration of solution. See students, the concentration of solution. The concentration of solution. Here, see students, what is the exact definition for the concentration of solution? The amount of solute, solute present in given quantity. Here given quantity of solution. Given quantity of solution is known as concentration of solution. Different methods are there to express the concentration of solution. Now we will discuss one by one with the definition, formulas, and with the examples of the each type of the concentration terms, in which the first one is molarity. Is the very important concept, molarity. See students, I can explain that what is the exact definition of molarity and how to write the formula with help of definition and how to solve the easily the given problems based on this one. See, the first one is molarity. Molarity. First, we focus on the constant. What is the exact definition of molarity? Here, molarity means the number of moles of solute. The number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. 1 liter of solution is called molarity. It is the exact definition for molarity. See students, here moles, either any chemical substance, the amount of substance expressed in moles. So this is the definition of molarity. From this one, you see how to derive the formula to this. Molarity is represented by capital M. M is equal to moles of solute represented by small n and the volume of solution in liters. This is the formula for molarity. But a newly introduced term is moles. So how to calculate the moles? Either any chemical substance, the moles which is equal to weight by molecular weight of that chemical substance. This is moles. Now this value substitute in the given equation. Here molarity is equal weight by molecular weight of solute into 1 by volume of solution in liters. If suppose you take the volume in milliliters, then numerator multiple with 1000. Why? Because here 1 liter is equal 1000 milliliters. This is the full formula of molarity formula. Next one, see students, generally frequently repeated question in objective point of molarity is that depends on the temperature or not. No doubt, molarity always depends on temperature, because see, molarity is equal to moles by volume. According to the gases laws, according to gases laws, your volume is directly proportional to the temperature. Directly proportional to the temperature according to Charles law. So a relation between molarity and temperature is inversely proportional. If the temperature is rises, then molarity will be decreases. So finally, molarity is always depends on temperature, because the denominator value is volume. Volume always depends on temperature. If the temperature is rises, volume will be increases. So this is the definition and the formula of the molarity. Next one, see students, one example based on this one. Now calculate the molarity of molarity of 4 grams of sodium hydroxide. Calculate the molarity of 4 grams of sodium hydroxide present in 500 ml of solution. 500 ml of solution. This is the given question. First, you should write the given data from the given equation. See, first one, given weight is equal 4 grams. Molecular weight of sodium hydroxide. Remember it, its molecular weight is constant is 40 grams. Next one, the third given data is volume. Volume of solution is equal 500 ml. So these whole values are substituted in the given formula. Remember it, formula is more important. Molarity is equal weight by molecular weight of sodium hydroxide into 1000 by volume of solution in milliliters. The given volume is 500. First, see how to simplify this. It's not difficult. 2 zeros cancel. Next one, here 0 and the remaining third 0 is cancel. Here 4 by 4 is cancel. The remaining one is 1 by 5. 1 by 5, its value in fraction is, 0.2 m. And you write the m, capital M. Remember it, molarity always expressed in capital M. Okay, students, I thank you.